I got another package. This one is huge, and I don't have the room for it to fit the entire box inside the frame, inside the camera. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. I already know where this is from. I want a giveaway again. I want another giveaway. And I'm so excited, guys. So I know where this is from and I know what's inside, but I wanted to show you guys, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So one of the things that I won, guys, is Femi Beauty. As you remember, this is from her Expert collection where she did the collab with McCart. And I just wanted to show the colors to you again. For those of you who may not have seen it, because these colors are beautiful. As a matter of fact, I was asked by several people in, I can't even remember which video it was. I had on a set of nails that I did away from camera and off of YouTube, and I'm going to show you which polish it was. Thank you so much. Y'all know I love me some Femi. Oh, and you know what? While I'm doing this, I won this giveaway from Vanity and Beyond. That's my girl, okay? She started following me when she heard about my mass finger, guys. Don't we miss mass finger? When she heard about my mass finger series through Nikki's channel, and she came over and she's been here since. Oh my gosh, she is just so down to earth. She has these stories that she tells about things that have happened in her life, and they're so hilarious. I make sure I don't miss them. I'm not gonna take them out the slots, but yeah, here we go, guys. Cookie, shortcake, peachy, brownie, sugar, and Pop-Tart. That most recent one where you guys were asking me about the shimmer nails that I had on, it was this. It was Pop-Tart with some top coat on it. I put them on like the Apres method, and you guys know I'm still working on that Apres method, because it's hard to do it when you're doing it on yourself, isn't it? And I'm still trying to get my setup right in order to get those on myself. And one of my problems is I'm not flash curing long enough. I was lifting the nail, the full coverage gel nails, and there were gaps and stuff like that. So yeah, Femi Beauty, thank you so much. And then this next one, I'm really excited about this because I've only had their polishes so far, but this is a Beetles gel polish nail art foil set, guys. And she showed this on her channel when she announced the giveaway. Oh my gosh, so there's 2 cases of foils in here. Thank you so much. I'm so excited about this. Oh, I love these metallic foils. Well, you know, some of this stuff comes with the instruction guide or application guide, but we do what we do, right? We do what we do. And then, let me see. It feels like there's 2 bottles in here, if I remember from her video. Yeah, there is. So are these both? Oh, that's cute. Look at the yellow butterflies. So cute. Thank you so much. Beetles nail art foil glue. Aw, Beetles nail art foil glue. Girl, you just outdid yourself. You really did. This was such a generous giveaway, guys. Oh my gosh. So nice of her. And more than likely, I'm not gonna need 2 bottles, so you guys know what I'm hinting around to. So I am probably going to pay some of this forward, especially when it comes to having 2 of the same bottles of foil glue. So you guys can look forward to that, and you also can thank her for that because this came from her. Yeah, Vanity and Beyond. In fact, there's one more thing that she sent as an extra, and then the extra that she sent is this, guys. Thank you so much. Aww. And I love the way, you know, I already say all the time, I love McCartan how they package things when they have it in the foam, keeps spillage from happening. So I'm loving the fact that she did this. So nicely done. That's very good. And I believe this is her, tell me if I'm wrong, but I believe this is your cuticle oil, right? Oh, that smells so good. It smells flowery. She does have a website and she's starting to add a lot of nail products on there, guys. So yeah, she's got designer stickers and stuff like that. Vanity and Beyond on YouTube as well as Instagram, and she has her own website. So guys, she's a lovely lady. She's a very candid and very down-to-earth girl, and I love her for it. And you guys have to check her channel out and listen to some of the stories that she has for you, because they're very, very much fun to listen to. She just tells it like it is, and I love her for that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm so excited. I've won 2 giveaways, because remember I won Just Joe and now this one. So I'm official. I'm an official winner. I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing of my second giveaway win, and I am so glad to have spent this time with you. Remember to check my girl out, and oh, and she also came to me by way of Princess Nails by Diana too. Hi, Princess Nails by Diana. So yeah, remember to check her out, guys. And if you enjoyed this, consider subscribing to my channel, because there's much more to come. Okay, and if you enjoyed this, remember to hit the like button so I'll know. Hitting that like button lets me know that you were into this content, guys. Okay, so we'll see you in the next one. Much love.